All right, let's go ahead now and show you how to add a video. Just like pictures and text, you need to drag a hotspot to wherever you'd like to place it within the picture. So let's go ahead and just put this dead center right here. Okay? So, it's a nice idea to go ahead and put a little text to match your video. You could just place it in there if you'd like, but it's always helpful to see a little bit of text on top of the video. Okay, so let's go ahead then, and adding a video is really easy actually. I've found a YouTube video here of our school. All you need to do is go ahead and copy and then paste that into here, and Roundme will automatically add that. Now again, the video is sized just right there, okay? And once you have that, then you just say create. And that way, when they're done, the user can come in here and click on this, and they'll be able to see a video.